Hey traders, it's 35 minutes past 3 p.m. here in Brisbane on Tuesday, the 14th of November, and I am in the ring with crude oil. So let's take a look first on the daily. And from the fight card, you know that I was looking for my offense area to be between the green line and the black line. Now, as it happened, the market hasn't pushed toward that area enough. It was weak enough to start turning just above this area. But I still need to see signs and confirmation that indeed the buyers are getting stronger and are going to take over from the sellers. Now, if we take a look here on the 1 hour, we can see that we started to push up a little bit here and then push to a lower low. We pulled back to test it from below and kept on making lower highs and lower lows. Now, this is quite a predominant swing lower high. So what I was looking for is a push by the buyers that will break that area. We almost got that here, but as you can see, it came just shy of this previous high. So that wasn't good enough. From here, we pull back and the buyers took over again. This time we touched this area. If you can see, that was also the high of this beautiful bearish rejection candle. We pulled back from it, touched again, and off we went to a wonderful higher high. Not only did we clear this lower high, we also cleared this busy level around here. So that to me is a turn. This is for me a sign that the buyers are ready to take over. So I was ready to place my offense and to start my striking. And I like the area of the last place that the sellers pushed lower. So my offense started at this area. As the market pulled back into it with this candle, I got pinged into this fight. Now, my defense line sitting around here. And as we can see, between the distance from the start of my offense to my defense line, this was the original point swing, and you can see it's just too close. Now, when I did the fight card, I was expecting a bit more of a pullback. As it happens, the pullback happened a bit above the green line, which made the point twin just too close to my offense line. So I'm not going to use the point swing. I'm going to delete it, and I'm only going to go for the knockout, which still sits underneath the round number of 80. If we'll take a look quickly on the daily, we can see that right now we're touching the averages, but I do want to see a bit more of that pullback and a push toward that line. And in order to do that, I need to give a bit more breathing time for this opponent while still protecting the ground that I've covered in the ring, which is why I have moved my defense line from this predominant swing low just under this higher low on the 1 hour. From this point, my risk is protected, but there's also quite a lot of distance to where the market sits right now. So if we'll get a pullback, maybe toward this swing high, which was also the push, and then a consolidation and a second push over here, if we'll come back to test it from above and keep on charging toward my knockout area, I will keep on moving my defense line as well. Currently, there's not a lot of activity in the market, but tonight is also CPI, or today, depending on where you are in the world. So we could see some effect on this market as well. So to summarize, I am in the ring with crude oil. My offense started at the black line, and I have moved my defense to protect the ground that I've covered already in the ring, and currently it sits underneath this swing 1 hour higher low. I am not taking a point win on this one. I am only going for the knockout, as the original point win was too close to my striking area. But I am going to be moving my defense line if and when this opponent will keep on printing higher lows. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.